Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 1B, question number 11 is the path of a projectile is given by the equation y equals to root 3x minus 49 x square over 9,000, where x are measured in the meters. So the projectile motion is there. First of all, find the range of this projectile, and the part B, find the maximum height reached by this projectile. So we are going to solve the part A, which is the range of this projectile. The range of this projectile. Okay, so now here the equation of the projectile is given, which is, we will use here the equation which is given, y equals to this. So y is equals to the root 3x then minus 49x square divided by 9,000. So when the projectile launched back to the earth, so the range would be as the value of the x, because when it going back to the earth, or it launched to back to the earth, so on the ground level it would be, the range would be the value of x. So at this position, as we know that the y value is 0 when the projectile comes back to the ground, so its y value would be equals to 0, because at the ground where we have the horizontal path only. So we will set here y equals to 0. Now our equation would be 0 equals to root 3x minus 49x square divided by 9,000. Now this value has the negative sign, so we will replace on the other side, so it becomes the positive. Then it would be here now 49 would be the positive x squared divided by 9,000 and equals to the root 3x. Then we will shift the root 3x also on the side, so it becomes the negative. So our 9,000 minus root 3x equals to 0. Then here we have to factor out the x. Factor out means x is common, so that's why we need to take out the x. Factor out x. So it would be here x into, when x is common, so after taking the common we have to put the bracket there. So what is left here? The 49x divided by 9,000 and minus root 3 equals to 0. So we will set both equations separately, both the terms separately equals to 0. So first it would be x equals to 0, and the second one is 49x divided by 9,000 minus root 3 equals to 0. So then the first we got the value, but the second we have to simplify here for the non-zero. Zero value we will neglect here, because the range would not be the zero value. For the non-zero we have to simplify. As I said before, like here, when the projectile launched back to the earth to the ground level, so when it comes back to the ground level, at the ground level there will be the y value would be 0, but there would be the x value. The range contains the x value, so it means x value would not be 0. So we will rearrange these values. 49x we will keep same, divided by 9,000 also. First shift the root 3 on the other side, and then we will shift this denominator on the other side also. So it will multiply. Here we have the 49x as equals to 9000 root 3. Now 49 is multiplied there. When we will shift on the other side, it will divide. So 9000 root 3 divided by 49. And further we can simplify on calculator. So on the calculator, it approximately equals to 318 meter. The horizontal range is 318 meter. Find the maximum height reached by this projectile. So the maximum height occurs at the horizontal. This is the horizontal of the projectile. So now it occurs at the midpoint of the horizontal range. Midpoint of horizontal range. So we can say that, like here, the horizontal midpoint of the range of its range. So now it means that the x midpoint is equals to the range divided by midpoint is the half of the x. So half in mathematics we will do by dividing 2. So the x value, as we already got here, the 9000, the range we got the 9000 root 3 over 49 times 2, and we know that the 2 times 4500 is equals to the 900. So x midpoint is equals to 4500 root 3 divided by 49. Now we will substitute this equation back into the projectile equation. Substitute into projectile equation. Into projectile equation means y. So the y is equals to root 3x minus 49 x square over 9000. So we will substitute the x value here. It would be y is equals to root 3, we will keep same. So x value we got the 4500, then root 3 divided by 49 and minus 49 x square. It would be 4500 root 3 divided by 49 and then whole square divided by, here it would be 9000. So now the y value would be equals to the root 3, then root 3 and root 3, it would be the root 3 square, and 4500 divided by 49 we will keep same. On the other hand, it's a 49 square, so 149 with this will cancel out. There is the minus sign, so minus, we will write down the 4500 square, and then the root 3 square also will cancel. It would be only 3, there is no sign, it would be multiplication, divided by 49 times 9000. So now, as we know, the root square and the root will cancel out, so it would be equals to 4500 times 3 divided by 49, then minus, we will find the square of the 4500, then multiply by with 3 and divide with these values. So 6750 over 49. And same on calculator, we will solve the first value. It would be 13,500 over 49. When the denominators are same, so we can write down once, means we can take the LCM. LCM says if the denominators are same, so write once, and the numerators you will write same. So now it would be here the y is equals to the numerator, we will subtract it. So again we will get the 6750 over 49. It's equals to 137.76. So we can write down, we can round off, and it would be 1. So the value of y maximum height would be equals to, after rounding, 138 meters, the maximum height of the projectile.